Did you know that you have the power to make your wildest dreams come true? And it's all about law of attraction. It doesn't matter who you are, what you want, anything and everything is possible. And I'm going to give you 4 simple steps that you need to manifest your dreams. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, I'm Jody, and if you're new here, please subscribe below. And also, if you want to see more of my face and know more about me, check out my previous video, which is an introduction of who I am and what I do. Today I want to talk to you about manifesting your dreams. So you may have heard about manifestation. Whether it's through a friend, family member, school, work, we've all heard about it. And manifest is the formal way to say something that is apparent to your senses. So if you have strong feelings about something, they will manifest. If you dream about it, you talk about it, and you think about it all the time, and you work towards it, you are going to manifest your dreams. So step number 1 in manifesting your dreams, you need to let go of resistance. So you need to let go of the past. I understand your past affects how you view things and who you are, but it does not define you. With me, I grew up around adults who were set in their ways. There were no hugs, kisses, or sugarcoating. And if I did anything that was not practical or something that they knew nothing about, I would get put down. I would get laughed at and told that I need to stop living in a fantasy world. And growing up, that weighed on me because I felt like I had to confine and that I was trying to be something that I wasn't. And that kind of stayed with me through my early ages of adulthood. And I just found myself in certain situations that I knew I didn't want to be in. But I stayed in it because I did not want to disappoint my family members, and I didn't want to disappoint my family or seem like a failure. So I got to the point where I had no motivation, no drive, and I just wanted to stay in bed all day. And it wasn't until October of last year that I stopped caring and removed all the negativity from my life and all the bad situations to focus on me and what I really wanted to do and what made me happy. And if you're currently happy or unhappy or in an unhappy situation and unhappy with your state of mind, you are most likely responding with negative emotions. I know I was responding into negative emotions and beating myself up over just little small things and thinking that my life was just going to be the same and I couldn't change. Well, that's not true. You know, the more attention you give something, whether it's negative or positive, the more we attract it into our lives. You have to accept your current life and know that you can change it and leave yourself open to better experiences. So step number 2 is to set a goal. So what's your biggest dream? What's your dream job? And where do you see yourself in 5 years? Answering these questions is possibly the most difficult and important part of this video. You don't know how to get from point A to point B if you don't know where you're going. So to manifest anything, you need to know what you want. And once you know what you want, from there you can move on to how to actually get there. Step number 3. Learn how to conscientiously attract with a purpose. And what I mean by that is manifest things into existence and know what you want. You have to think about a place where you want to go. Think about a destination that you want to be, a destination in your mind, whether it is you getting a house, being in a mansion, having a family, having kids, having a boyfriend, having a man. You have to think about where you see yourself, right? And you can't just be like, oh, it'll be nice to have this. It'll be nice to go here. It'll be nice to do this. No, you actually have to start believing that what you're doing is possible and not that, oh, it was nice. Or maybe if God did this and maybe if God did that. No. You gotta start thinking about stuff and making it seem like anything that you want is possible. So now that you have a destination in mind, you have to get there. And to get there, you have to use a couple of steps to get there. So you gotta talk about it. You got to dream about it, speak about it, think about it, create a dream board. I created a dream board. I'm definitely going to upload a video about that and we can get into that. And also, you got to use affirmations. So affirmations are just sentences that you use every day when you wake up, which starts with I am beautiful, I am sexy, I am confident, I am smart, I am worthy. You got to start thinking like that. Once you start thinking positively, then positive things start happening to you. And then most importantly, work towards this every day. Start thinking about ways that you can advance and improve yourself every day, and start thinking about your wants that you need. So it doesn't matter if you are researching for 30 minutes a day about your dream job or what you need, qualifications you need to get there, thinking about school, or listening to a podcast in the car on your way to work, right? Anything and everything is going to help you. And on top of that, another good thing that I've learned to kind of accept and help me in my journey is meditating and also journaling. Journal the way you feel. Journal about your situations. Journal about what you want to happen. Meditate, whether you're meditating is just sitting in quietness or as you wake up, or whether you're praying. That is a good form of meditation. Okay, and the fourth and final step is to act as if it already has happened. So this step might be hard if you are at a job or in a situation that you hate, but when you act, speak, and think and feel as if you're already living your dreams, you're going to feel the shift in energy. You are going to know that something is going to change because you believe in that change. And when you're already acting, speaking, and thinking about it, it's more of kind of like a flip of a switch for it to happen. So, for example, if you're at a job that you hate, think about being in a better job, right? Start looking towards a better job, understanding what qualifications you need for a better job, and just say, hey, I'm going to get this job. Or in the next 6 months or whatever, I'm going to do this and do that, right? And I'm not telling you at all to quit your job, but I'm telling you to start acting a different way, being more positive, right? And try to imagine and act and think that you turned in your 2 weeks notice. I know we've all been there where we've had a point where we're like, I'm done with this job. I'm turning in my 2 weeks notice, or you got a different job and you're just like, yes, I have a better job. I'm going to turn in my 2 weeks notice. And after we turn in our 2 weeks notice, I found myself to just be a little like relieved. Like I can finally like, oh God, I can like relax. I can stop stressing out, like, and you're more, I wouldn't say that you're a little bit more confident, but you're more in tune with yourself, and you're not so worried about like, am I going to keep this job? Am I going to be in this job? Am I doing well enough? You just do what you possibly can. When you fine tune your emotions, just remember that your energy and your dreams will align. I hope that this video has been very helpful to you, and please comment below if you have any questions at all. And if this has helped you, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share, everything that needs to be done. I don't need to tell you. But thank you so much for watching, and catch you on the next video. Bye.